Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Brave. Here we go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about Brave app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your